I woke up with the sound of the birds outside my window. The soft morning breeze touched my face. I whispered, "Today, I choose to live with purpose. Today, I choose to believe in myself." I opened my window and smiled at the morning light. I said out loud, "It's a beautiful day. Let's make it count." In the kitchen, the smell of mint tea filled the air. As I poured the tea, I reminded myself, small rituals, big dreams. I tied my hair, looked at my reflection, and said, "I am ready. I am strong." Stepping into the busy streets of my city, I greeted my neighbor with a smile. "Good morning. How's everything?" The world around me was alive. The colors, the sounds, the spirit. At work, challenges came, as always, but I stayed calm. I told myself, "Take a deep breath. You've got this." Sometimes fear tried to find me. Sometimes doubt knocked at my heart. But I answered with courage, "I am doing my best. That's enough." When the day ended and I walked home under the golden sky, I felt grateful. Grateful for the small wins. Grateful for the lessons. Grateful for the woman I am becoming. I sat quietly on my rooftop, watching the stars above my city. I smiled and whispered, "I am not finished yet. My story is just beginning." And as always, I remind myself, speak your dreams. Live your dreams, one day at a time, one word at a time. And today, I choose to speak in English, to open new doors, to build a new future, to honor the girl I once was and the woman I am becoming.